Hey guys, it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you. I have not done a makeup video since prom, so I decided I would do one today, and I really have not played around with makeup in quite a while actually, so I decided to do a rainbow look. I've done a couple times before, but not on this YouTube channel. It's actually done by James Charles, and I think he was inspired by someone else. I'm not exactly sure, but I really did love this look, and me and a friend actually won our senior superlative for Beauty Gurus, so that was really fun. We both did a makeup look and then posed, and we are in the yearbook as that, and this look that I will be doing today is what I did for that picture. Let's get started, shall we? Now I have to remember exactly what I did and pull up a picture. If I remember correctly, most of the eyeshadow used in this video is from the James Charles palette. So first things first, primer. I'm going to be using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'm going to take the Morphe M173. It's like a big, compact blending brush, and apply that to my eyelids. I'm just gonna do a light layer just to evenly coat the whole eyelid. If you're wondering why my skin or my eyebrows look a lot better than they normally do in videos, it's because I have found the art of shaving one's face, and I just did so right before this video. The first time I did it was like the day before prom, so in my last makeup video, which was my prom makeup tutorial, I had not found that yet. And let's just say my eyebrows look drastically different in my opinion. I think they look a lot better. Just the hair around them used to be crazy, so I'm really glad I found that out. Shout out to Jaclyn Hill, who, may her line rest in peace. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't really pay attention anymore. Okay, I'm gonna dip in with the Morphe M456 brush into, and I lost the color shades for this palette. Let's just say it's a red. Yes, I am going to very carefully go about doing this. That's sloppy, but it's okay. I'm just slowly building up this red. I think I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506 brush and also try to blend that out a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the like lighter red shade above that and try to blend that also upwards. Yes, okay, another M456, and we're gonna grab the darkest purple shade in the palette and start packing this on the outer corner. I'm gonna be really careful with this because the last couple times I did this purple is really hard to blend because I want this to be really vibrant. So I'm going in lightly with a really light hand first, and then hopefully I'll be able to pack more color on there later. See, it kind of looks patchy in between. I'm just gonna try my best over here, okay? I'm gonna go in with a smaller detailed brush. It's the M431 with the purple again, and just try to get, I keep picking up my phone instead of the mirror. I'm gonna try to get closer to the red. This is gonna take me a while. It's all about trial and error, you know, and I haven't played with colors and makeup in quite a while, so more red. And instead of like using circular motions, I'm gonna use patting motions to try to blend the purple and the red together. And I'm gonna pick up the yellow and place that above the red just on this outer corner portion. Now I'm gonna go in with a detailed brush and take the orange and place that in between the yellow and the red. And then I'll go back into the yellow with the same brush. Okay, now it's time for a partial cut crease. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M213 brush. It's a really small crease brush. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Paint Pot and very carefully cut this crease. That is pretty good. So now I'm gonna go into the yellow with the Morphe M12 brush and pack that on my lid. I hope all of your summers are going well. My summer Feels like it has gone by so fast. I actually move in like 2 weeks, which is kind of wild. I got a job on campus, and so I'm moving in early so I can go through training and then start working about 2 weeks before most people start to move in. So for those of you who don't know, I will be a freshman in college. Kind of crazy. Already graduated, thank goodness. High school was not the most amazing part of my life, unlike some other people's, but that's okay. You live and you learn. So I'm hoping college will be a really great experience. I'm, for one, super excited about it. So now what I'm going to do is dip into the orange and pat that orange in between the purple and the yellow. See, I don't know if you can tell, but this purple is not blending well. Come on. Okay, we're gonna dip into more purple and attempt to make that more vibrant and cover up some of the orange. Okay, we're gonna stop here for now. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I will be back. Okay, this is as good as we're gonna get for right now, so I'm just gonna move on to the face. To prime, I'm going to be using the xoxo Silk Canvas. Okay, today I'm gonna be mixing the Maybelline BB cream in light medium sheer tint, and then the Makeup Forever Ultra HD something foundation. I don't really know it. Y225. I got this in an Ipsy bag, I believe. I'm gonna pounce that all over the face. It's not exactly my color, but that's okay. We're keeping it really light today, sheer, because I'm not much of a foundation person, so. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer, just a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape because this shade is still light for me. And then a little bit of a dark shade of the Maybelline Fit Me. And we're gonna pounce that into the face. Under my eyes, I'm gonna get as close as I can to my waterline to cover up the shadows under my eye. And be careful and get really close to that outer edge of the eye look. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M173 brush and all the places I couldn't reach with my sponge, I'm going to very lightly tap that concealer. And now it's powder time, so I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to go from purple, blue to green. I'm going to take the Morphe M431 and dip into that dark purple and start on the outer corner of my eye. Then dip into a few of the blues and place that on the center of my waterline. And then I'm going to mix the dark and the light green and place that on the inner portion. And then I am going to keep packing that on so the colors get more vibrant. Okay, and now I'm going to grab the bright yellow again on the same brush and drag the yellow down from our lid to the inner corner, connecting it with that green. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M250-1 brush. It's a liner brush, and just dip into the black and line the top of my eyelid. This way, when I apply lashes, it'll blend a lot better into my lash line. Now I'm going to take this NYX white liquid eyeliner and line the waterline, my bottom waterline. While that's still a little bit wet, I'm going to take the liner brush and then dip into the colors I did underneath the eye and pack that on top. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a difference there. Now I'm going to take just a very little bit of the Cover FX drops, forgot what they're called, and take the eyeliner brush and use this to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to grab this small brush and then dip back into the yellow and apply that over the glitter just so I get like a really bright glittery yellow inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to dip into one of the lighter highlight shades of the James Charles palette and highlight as much as I can on my brow bone. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I will be right back and then we can apply some lashes. I'm now going to apply some Lily lashes in the style Miami. They're kind of crusty right now, but that's okay. Let's see how well I can put these on because they are used. Okay, that was not bad. Okay, so what I normally do with lashes is I don't apply mascara or curl my lashes or anything. I apply the lashes first, wait for them to dry a little bit, and then I curl my lashes and then I apply just a little bit of mascara so that way my real lashes will blend in with the fake ones. So I'm going to do that. Okay, now that those are on, it's time for lipstick. So I'm just gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and mix a couple of the shades to create like a neutral red, I guess. Actually, I might just go with one of these darker ones. So this is the final look. I'm sorry I didn't talk that much. It's really hard to talk while you're doing stuff and also concentrate on the look, especially a look like this. I do think it turned out pretty well. I think I went a little heavy on the bronzer, but that's okay. I really like how vibrant the yellow turned out for sure. The purple is definitely hard to blend, but that's okay. I also really like the colors on the waterline and how sparkly my inner corner is. So anyways, even though I didn't talk that much, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos from me, give me video suggestions in the comments down below. I think I will have a couple more videos come out before I go to school in the fall, but not a lot of them will be makeup related. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer. I really appreciate you if you are watching this video, and I hope you guys had a wonderful day or are going to have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.